All right, I am in Mingo Junction, or Steubenville. You can see West Virginia right behind me. There's the bridge. I don't know if you can see it from here. I'm somewhere new. I'm at Antique Warehouse. It's a little of a bizarre vibe outside. It's very quiet. Everything feels kind of closed. It's Sunday morning, so that might be that. But hold on, let me turn you around. Very interesting mannequin. Yeah, it's so quiet that the piece of trash blowing down the street is alarmingly loud. But let's check it out. Looks awesome. Well, this is the first piece that catches my attention for sure. Look at this vase. That's really quite special. 16 on that. That's not bad. Could definitely make a few bucks off that. But I'm doing the pink train or whatever it is. So I have so much pink glass vases. So many pink glass vases, I should say, right now. I was trying to say, I have so many pink glass vases right now that I'm kind of overseeing them. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. I'm gonna research that a little bit. Well, I already got distracted. What is this? Whoa. It's like a toadstool mushroom. Wilkinson glass mushroom paperweight. It is signed. And it's very cool for $24. I think that's going to be the first thing I pick up. Look at this. 20 on that. That's very cool. Little glass birds, $5 each. The head vase is gorgeous at $89. Whoa. Perthshire Millefiore paperweight perfume bottle, Scotland. $39. Whoa, I'm gonna Google this for sure. That's amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and splurge on this. I'm just making sure that it's all there. Cause like, this is really amazing. It's got like a little... Yeah, that's really cool. It looks like they go for about like an average of 99. It kind of could go either way, but this is really an amazing look. I mean, I don't even know if you can see. There you go. Look inside there. That's really special. I'm gonna get that. Well, it's a little hard to focus with this happening. Wow. Look different from afar. This is a crazy piece. Look at that swirl vase. That one's 25 up there. Canal. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. I'm gonna pee and then I'm gonna grab a basket. Oh my God, this chandelier. And start at the beginning again. I tell you what, for such a quiet appearance outside, there's a lot happening in here. Look at this Viking vase. That's really nice. Okay, I'm back at this case where I found the perfume. The other thing that kind of I noticed is this porcelain duck. Yep. I'm pretty sure that's worth decent money. I feel like they're good. I could be wrong. I know the blue ones marked China are. It's $8. I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. So I kind of want to just like look around and do an initial scan. Wow, look at that. That's really pretty. I am kind of still fixated on this because, I love that colorway. So I think I am going to go ahead and pick this up. I just really love that kind of amberina tangerine. Now, I did phone a friend about, maybe I won't, I don't know. I'm kind of going back and forth about it. Whoa, what's happening down there? I was just about to say, I found a friend on that decanter. because I didn't think it was Blanco, and if it did, well, then it probably was really rare. And sure enough, they said it was not, and it was probably the Pilgrim version. Look at that. Yeah, it's still really nice, but not right. Giant milk glass hobnail, $10. Because of the size and the popularity of milk glass right now, $9.50 is a really good price, and I'm hoping it will offset my cost average a little bit, especially with picking up that perfume bottle. But I'm really interested in this. Is this German? Bar Harbor Pottery, Maine. Well, that's different. $6. I'm not even gonna go look that up. I'm just gonna get that. And then what is this? Oh, that's not what I want it to be at all. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna leave it there. Some porcelain enamelware. That is a fabulous one. What is that, Giuseppe? Wow, that's amazing. Valentino by Miriam. I normally don't really go for this kind of thing, but that is like super fabulous. And then this, of course, is pretty. It's kind of hard to see past this one, though. That's really cool. And then over here, this like milk glass ruffled edge kind of fan opening vase. That's pretty. It's only $12. I think I'll get that one too. And the periwinkle, that's nice. But I kind of like the shape on this, so I'm gonna grab that. I think that will be popular. It's kind of like a weird finish on it too, unusual. And that's Viking. It's a basket though, 28. I think I'll leave that. Wow, look at this. Really pretty souvenir Victorian glass. That's an interesting color. It's kind of like a smoke. Well, there you go, smoke. $4.50. That seems like a harder to find color if you ask me. I'm not crazy about the shape, but it's so cheap. And look at that hand painted, is that a vase or a lampshade? It says vase, $7. What is happening here? What? Wow. Very cool. I don't know if that's open. I'm gonna see. Like, obviously swords aren't my thing, but look at that one. The detail on the handle's really cool. And then a whole bunch of really interesting, the Fraternal Knight. There you go. I know what it was because I had one once and I thought it was the coolest thing. Wow, this place is amazing. 15. What about on the compote? It's got cadmium in it too, so it glows. 15. Wow. Awesome prices. What is happening here? Okay, first of all, what is genie glass? That's amazing. $40. The deer, the ducks, they're all hand painted and signed Fenton. Really good prices, especially if you're a collector. Some of them, there's still some room to be made for sure. Genie glass, though, that's interesting. Literally doesn't say genie glass. It says Gentile glass. I noticed this cat had an interesting expression to it. It's $5, and it is, in fact, Royal Doulton. I will be taking that. And then look what's happening in this case. Bunch of little Edward Mowglis. Oh my God, this duck. That's an amazing one. $5. $8, that's Sun Rubber, not Edward Mowgli. As long as, I think, at least. Well, who cares? We'll figure it out later. In the meantime, look at this girl. That's Edward Mowgli, right? I think I'm getting Edward Mowgli and Sun Rubber. Yeah, Sun Rubber and Edward Mowgli confused. They're both Sun Rubber. I'm going to take all of this. And I did go ahead and pick up that cranberry Czechoslovakian Bohemian Rose Bowl that was back there with the roses. It was even marked Czechoslovakia, $7.50. Amazing. Like, look at this. What's this box back here? It's kind of got like a weird George Briard vibe to it, but like more elegant. I can't open it with one hand. Hold on. Very cool, but I don't see any kind of tag on it. I do see, though, this jar. What is this? $15. Hold on. What do we have here? A lidded mug. Looks Russian. Mono F.A. Is it Portuguese or Russian? It's very confusing. Let's see what the tag says. 15 mug with lid. Mono IA. I think I might just quickly give this a look up. I'm not going to look too hard because it's really... I actually don't really care. I think it's just cool. Hold on. I actually believe it to be Israeli. It's a really interesting piece, and I actually, not only am I attracted to it and just kind of love it, but Jacob was telling me that one of their biggest vendors at the Heart had been going around switching up his glass buying to Israeli pottery. So I think he might be onto something. I can't stay in one booth. Every time I drop something off, I find something else. Boyd's glass heart dish, $13. That's sweet. Wow, this is so cool. I love this place. I would have never known. Look at this. Wilkerson Slag Glass Basset Hound. Well, if that isn't cool, I don't know what is. I don't think that glows, but I also kind of don't really care because it's... Yeah, no, it doesn't, but it's just neat. For 18 bucks, let's take it. I don't know why, but I'm kind of into this. Look at this. Blue dot rimmed bowl, $6. I'm not sure if that's contemporary or not, but I think it's kind of neat. Lucite napkin holder, $14. That's not bad at all. Look at this lamp. That's fantastic too. I'm back in the booth with the chandelier, although I'm kind of distracted by the pink Miller Chalkware Studio fish. Pair for $12. Stop it right now. You are speaking my language. That's a steal. And I feel like even weird calling it a steal. It's beyond a steal. Taking a second look up here. Oh, wow. Just a lot going on. Now here, I wonder if this is... What's this green fan base? $13. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. Kind of dirty, but I feel like it would clean up well. It's really kind of interesting. There's something about it. Green fan base, $13. That's just a mold mark. That's really neat. Oh my gosh. $28 on this cowboy chalkware piece. That is fantastic. Wow. I don't usually pick ones like this up. Well, one, because I don't find them. Two, if I find them, they're expensive. But that's pretty amazing. The condition is spectacular. I might pick that up. I'm going to loop around because I'm just kind of like, overwhelmed, as I'm sure you can imagine. I just saw that this place was 4 floors. Here's something I haven't seen in a while. These used to be super hot, and then they kind of died off. I think they're gorgeous. The Art Nouveau jewelry caskets, $25. That's not bad. Rogers, too. That's a more desirable one. Unfortunately, it doesn't have its lining. What is this? $95. I was going to say, that is a rare piece, for sure. Interesting mix here. What is this, Weller? Roseville, really pretty. It's kind of hard to tell all of those apart. What is this weird picture? Looks like a chicken. What's that vase? That's weird. Looks like a chicken with its head cut off. Whoa. Look at that painting. Everything 20%. That's interesting. It almost looks like a gesso frame. It's I don't think it is. I think it's newer than I want it to be. It's really pretty though. It's got the look. On camera, I will tell you, it looks a lot more intricate and expensive than it does in real life. Doll booth. Oh, I love these. I think she's so fun. Penny Bright, $10. That's a great deal. She's missing her shoes though. Look at these little Ginny dolls. I think that's Ginny. Yeah, Ginny. $8. This one's really fun. Wait a minute. Look at this tin toy. The bear riding the donkey. Are you kidding? $24. That's amazing. Japan, too. He's got some damage. If it was for myself as a collector, I would do it, but maybe not for resale. Pose Play. Little fun Kittles dolls. What's this one? Karen has a slumber party. Dolly Darlings. See, I always get them confused with each other. Oh my gosh, she looks like she needs help. Over here, I mean, this is one of those places where you could just probably take just about anything and make a couple bucks on it. The quality here, it's just, the prices are everything. All right, I decided to move up to a different floor. Like I said, I'm a bit overwhelmed. Oh my God, look at the Billiken. That's so fun. What is this vase? That's cool. It's metal. It's probably made in India. Yeah, solid price. India as is. It's got a neat look to it though.